The SodaStream has always been, for me, the idea of just in time, right? Making it just in time for your friends when they're there, not having to plan and carry silly, bottles of water and, from the supermarket. So you do it your way, just in time, at home, when you're ready. And I wanted to translate the same thing to the machine itself, so you can get it just the way you like it, in different colors and different finishes. So Yaron and I have worked on, which I think the first really kitchen appliance that you can customize in this way, and also making it really accessible. Not an expensive, not a luxury product, but a way that you can treat yourself in a luxurious way.
It's really inherent in what SodaStream is and want to be. Okay? So to enable users to use it differently every day, okay? And in different occasions, and like you've said, you're not committed, right? You can choose and change every day together with it. It's your machine, you make it your way. You want it lightly sparkled, that's great. We have flavors for that. You want strong cola flavors, great. So allowing all this customization process just to be, that was our mission. Okay? And we worked very hard together in order to make
It's easier to say than do, just because you have logistics, you have all the stuff that happens in the background. But here we wanted to show it as, with our own little factory, we wanted to kind of just make it happen in front of people so they can see actually how quickly it gets done. It just takes a couple of minutes. People always ask me what's next of a certain project, but we're always working on the next generation product. There's a lot you can do with water, with tap water and filtered water. There's a lot you can do with taste. I think it's going to become something that we really are used to doing at home. Just like it's unfortunately become something that we're used to, which is just like it's we've unfortunately become ubiquitous to just buy a bottle, drink it, and throw it away. This is going to become the ubiquitous way to do things, which is make it yourself, clean it, reuse it.